Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and feel the ground beneath you. Right now, no matter where you are, the earth is beneath you, solid, ancient, patient, and completely unwavering in its support of you. It has been here for billions of years, and in this moment, it is holding you up without effort, without complaint, without asking anything in return. As you inhale, send your awareness down through your feet, through the floor, through every layer of earth below you. Feel how deep that support goes, how far back, how unshakable. And as you exhale, feel genuine gratitude for this earth that has held every human being who has ever lived, that grows the food that feeds you, that gives you the air you breathe, that offers beauty in every season without fail. You are held by something ancient and magnificent right now. Let yourself feel gratitude for the ground beneath your feet. I am sending you so much love.